Name of the activity?
Fish making.
What we need?
Paper. Marker cut.
Very good. First, fold the paper like this to make triangle. Fold this. Fold like this. Very good. Press it. Unfold the paper. Unfold. Okay. Again, fold the paper to make triangle like this. Okay. Okay. Press it. Very good. Unfold the paper. Okay. Now we see the cross line. Two cross line. Okay. Now we fold the paper to make rectangle.
Rectangle.
Press it, press it. Unfold the paper, okay? Again fold the paper like this to make another rectangle, okay? Now fold the paper like this, okay? Fold the paper like this to make triangle, okay? Press it. Now fold the paper from the center line like this, okay? Fold it. Okay. Press it, press it. Do the same on the other side. Do the same on the other side. Wait. Fold the paper. Very good. Press it. Press it. Can you see the triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. Now fold the paper like this, okay? Press it, press it. Turn the fish. Turn, turn. Very good. Now draw the eye and mouth of the fish, okay?
Okay.
Eyelashes, okay? Now draw the mouth, okay? Very good.